So guys, in my previous video, we saw remove prefix, which removes unwanted characters from the start of the string. Yeah. Same way we have remove suffix, which removes characters or unwanted characters from end of the string. Yeah. So what it does is it is used to remove a specified suffix from the end of the string. Now, if the string ends with the specified suffix, the method removes the suffix from the string and returns the modified string. But if the suffix does not end with the specified characters or the one which is mentioned in the formula, then the method returns the original string. Yeah. So let's see the syntax. It is the same as we had for remove suffix. Only thing that changes is string dot remove. We specify as suffix. Yes. And then we have to specify the suffix characters that has to be mentioned. Yeah. To remove for the removal. Yeah. Let's see it with an example. We use the same example again so that we find the differences. So I have this hello world which we have used for remove prefix. We removed hello this last time. This time we'll remove world. Yeah, which is the end of the string. Remove suffix. I need to change the formula. See this? So it has removed world from the end of the string. Yes. Now suppose same way as we checked for hello, suppose world is not available in the string. Yes. Without specify suffix. Yes. See this? It returns you the original string. Yeah. Same way as we did for prefix. Suffix is also case sensitive. So if I try to run this by making hello as it is, and I make world as capital. Yeah. And I want to remove from suffix, I want to remove word. Yes, I'll specify here. Let's see whether it finds it. No, it is not able to find it because suffix as we did for prefix is also case sensitive. So suffix is case sensitive. So it performs operations, yeah, and does removal on a case sensitive basis. So in this instance, the method does not remove word as a suffix from the string, yeah, and the text returns into an original form. Yeah. Same way as did for prefix, we can also remove numbers which are in suffix. So suppose I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at the end of the string and I specify suffix. Yeah. See this? It has removed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from the end of the. So we can remove the numeric values as well from the end of the string. So this was the difference between prefix and suffix. Yeah. Hope you like this video. Please do like and comment on this video so that we can make it better. Do subscribe to my channel to get automatic updates on the latest videos and such informative videos directly to your inbox. Thank you so much.